Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Blueprint. Want to boost your communication skills but don't have months to spare? What if I told you that you could start seeing real improvements in just 7 days? Yep, it's possible. And today I'm gonna show you exactly how. Let's get started. Let's imagine walking into a meeting, a classroom, or even a casual conversation and speaking with clarity, confidence, and impact. No more awkward pauses, no more struggling to find the right words. Just 7 days, 7 simple steps. Are you ready to transform the way you communicate? Let's dive in. Here is your 7-day communication challenge. Each day focuses on one key skill. Follow along, and by day 7, you will notice a big difference. Day 1 is all about clarity. The goal, get to the point. Practice explaining something simple like your favorite movie or hobby in just 30 seconds. No rambling, no filler words. Just clear, concise communication. On day 2, focus on active listening. Instead of thinking about what you will say next, really listen. Maintain eye contact, nod, and respond with something that shows you understood. Remember, great communicators are great listeners. Day 3 is about empathy. When talking to someone, try to understand their emotions, not just their words. Reflect back what you hear. Say something like, "It sounds like you're feeling." This builds deeper connections instantly. Day 4 is all about your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, use gestures naturally, like this. Your nonverbal cues should match your words. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute and notice your postures and facial expressions. On day 5, focus on expanding your vocab. Learn 3 new words every day. Practice using them in sentences while speaking throughout the day. This helps you express your thoughts more precisely and confidently. Day 6 is for public speaking practice. No stage required. Just record yourself talking about any topic for 2 minutes and watch it back to notice your tone, pace, and clarity. It might feel awkward at first, but I'm sure this builds confidence fast. And finally, day 7, seek feedback. Ask a friend, colleague, or someone how you can improve and what did they notice about your communication style. Reflect on your progress and set goals to keep growing. There you have it, your 7-day communication challenge. It's simple, practical, and super effective. If you commit just a few minutes each day, you will be amazed at how much you improve. Okay, that's it for today. Did you find this video helpful? Hit the like button and subscribe to Dog Blueprint. Let me know in the comments which day was most challenging for you. I would love to hear about your progress. Remember, great communication starts with small steps. Keep growing, and I will see you soon.